Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning proactive versus reactive support. Module, Anticipating Needs and Creating Value. Series, Advanced Virtual Assistants, Mastering Tools, Clients and Online Operations. Class Objective. This session teaches you how to shift from simply reacting to client instructions to anticipating their needs before they even arise. You'll master proactive support strategies, structured weekly planning systems, and learn how to track and improve client satisfaction using clear indicators. Section 1, Understanding the Difference. Reactive VA. Proactive VA. Waits for instructions. Offers solutions before being asked. Operates on daily requests. Plans ahead weekly or monthly. Fixes issues when they arise. Prevents problems before they happen. Works on what's urgent. Focuses on what's important. Seen as a task completer. Seen as a strategic partner. Proactive support builds trust, increases client loyalty, and gets you more referrals. Section 2. What it means to be proactive. Being proactive as a VA means creating structure for the client. Offering solutions to recurring problems. Making suggestions to improve workflows. Noticing inconsistencies and flagging them early. Thinking 2 steps ahead for your client. Section 3, How to Anticipate Client Needs. 1. Know the client's business cycle. Understand what happens. Weekly, meetings, reports, check-ins. Monthly, campaign launches, billing. Quarterly, reviews, planning, strategy. Example, if your client always sends invoices on the 28th, ask them by the 25th, would you like me to prep the invoices for review? 2. Study client patterns. Review your past tasks. What do they always forget? What do they consistently request last minute? What do they compliment you on? Use that to build a recurring task list. 3. Ask forward-looking questions. Instead of asking, "What do you need today?" ask, "What do we need to prepare for next week?" Are there any events or deadlines coming up I should start working on? Is there anything you'd like off your plate this month? This shows initiative. Section 4, Weekly Planning, the engine of proactive support. A proactive VA always has a plan, even before the client sends one. 3-part weekly planning process. Step 1, Client Review. Review previous tasks and feedback. Check recurring tasks or standing orders. Check for missed follow-ups or overdue items. Step 2, Draft Weekly Action Plan. Send a Monday email like Subject, Weekly VA Task Plan. Hello, client name. Here's what I've mapped out for this week based on our current projects and priorities. Finalize Q3 report, Monday through Tuesday. Schedule LinkedIn posts, Wednesday through Friday. Confirm vendor for event, by Thursday. Let me know if you'd like to add or adjust anything. Your name. Step 3, Create Weekly Snapshot Dashboard. In Trello, Notion, or ClickUp, create a board or table that shows tasks by day. Priorities by client. Blocked items, waiting for approval/input. Weekly goals for each client. Section 5, Tools that support proactivity. Notion or ClickUp build a weekly template for planning and reports. Google Calendar add client events, deadlines, check-ins. Trello or Airtable track deliverables and pre-schedule recurring ones. Slack/SMS reminders use automation to follow up when things are due. Section 6, Indicators of Client Satisfaction. Tracking satisfaction helps you stay proactive and valuable. Indicator. What to watch. How to respond. Consistent feedback. Thanks, this helps a lot. Ask what else they'd like support on. Longer response times. Delayed replies, vague answers. Schedule a check-in to clarify expectations. Last-minute requests increasing. Urgent tasks becoming frequent. Propose a planning system or SOPs. Increased task load. More tasks assigned than usual. Suggest retainer upgrade or adjusted plan. Client repeating instructions. Resending same requests. Offer to document in SOPs or recurring tasks. How to act on satisfaction indicators. Send quarterly feedback request. I'd love to know how I can better support you in the coming months. Would you mind sharing any suggestions or new needs? Implement a satisfaction score. Every 6 to 8 weeks, ask clients to rate your support on communication, timeliness, initiative, value. Example. On a scale of 1 to 5, how supported have you felt with communication and delivery? Track your own wins. Keep a private client wins document where you log tasks completed before deadline. Problems solved early. Praise received. Systems you improved. This builds confidence and prepares you for testimonials or rate reviews. Section 7. Examples of proactive moves. Situation. Reactive response. Proactive action. Client forgets to send meeting agenda. Wait until they send it. Draft the agenda and ask for approval ahead. Client sends report corrections weekly. Wait for edits. Pre-build a style guide or checklist and use it consistently. Multiple deadline conflicts. Rush to meet all of them. Suggest staggered timelines or additional help. Event coming up. Wait for instructions. Build event checklist and send timeline ahead. Client overwhelmed. Wait to be told what to do. Offer to manage inbox/calendar or prep SOPs. Section 8. Assignment tasks. Assignment 1. Proactive task audit. Review your current or past tasks. Identify 3 moments where you could have acted before being asked. Write them out in this format. Situation. What you did. What you could have done proactively. Assignment 2. Build a weekly planning template. Create a repeatable planning document with client name, tasks for the week, priority level, proposed timeline, notes/waiting items. You can do this in Google Docs, Notion, or Trello. Assignment 3. Draft a proactive email. Write a Monday this week plan email to a mock client outlining what you plan to work on. What needs their input? Any suggestions you have? Submit it as part of your workbook. Section 9. Final reminders. Proactivity makes you irreplaceable. The best VAs are the ones clients don't have to think for. Anticipating needs equals creating peace of mind for the client. Build repeatable planning habits, not random to-do lists. Evaluate yourself weekly. Am I leading or waiting? Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.